spy.
Oké. Ignacy, kom eens hier. Daar is de computer. Zie je de computer? Nee, kijk hier. Zo. Zet die camera op.
He's going that way still. Why is he always going that side? He wants to look here. Come on, Vignesh.
Zet die weg met je hoofd, lieverd, want kunnen ze hem goed zien. Laat hem maar krapen, oké?
Hey, you have to come to this video. Come to this video. What is he doing? He wants to go there.
Oh no! Give me a wipe. Damn it.
To give
Vignesh.
get him away. No, get him away. Get him away.
Wat is hier nou?
He wants to jellify on it.
No, he doesn't want to jump. He wants to play with the computer.
But he will see it and he will play and then he will scribble on it.
Dag. Dag.
He wants to say Bucky Buck.
Bye bye. Zeg ook dag, Shakti.
Bye.
Zeg maar tot ziens.
Tot ziens.
Kijk. Stop it.